Okay, so I'm writing a quick review on this dog shampoo I just received from Amazon. And I don't know if you could see that. Very hard to see through the plastic. See how thin that is? It is like water. This is supposed to be oatmeal shampoo, flea and tick for dogs. I'm not even taking it out of the plastic. So it has definitely been used before and watered down. I mean, that's the only explanation. This is not even possible that this is this soap. I bought this from the store before, and it gives a nice thick lather because it's nice and thick. But this, no.